Good evening, my dear student. Today our new topic is the third term, third unit, squares and square roots. Squares and square root is nothing but it is oppositely together, because square means you squaring the number, square root means take out the square root, you find the answer. So it's opposite to square root is opposite to square. Okay, the first of all, square is nothing but if a number is multiplied by itself once, we get a squared number or square. So the number is multiplied by itself. So one number is multiplied by itself, you get one answer. That answer is called squared number or otherwise called square. The square of an integer is called a perfect square. That means the square of an integers, any integer will be squared, means that is called perfect square. For example, 4 into 4 is equal to 4 square. 4 square means 16. So 16 is the square number of 4. So 4 is nothing but it is an integer. So 4 is multiplied with itself 4. You get 16. 16 is the square number. The symbol for a square root is this one, or the number whole power 1 by 2. The square root is nothing but 1 by 2 power. So this is these three lines will be right in the classwork. You write the topic, square and square roots, first two line and symbol of a square root. So this one is right in the classwork. The next one, square root. Square root having some properties. You will read the property. It's helpful for you. The properties of a square root. If the unit digit of a perfect square is 1, suppose the number having the unit digit is 1, the unit digit of its square root is either 1 or 9. The answer of the question, that means the square root answer of the unit is unit place having either 1 or 9. For example, 121, unit place having 1, you take out the square root, answer is 11. The answer square root answer unit place is 1. Square root of 361, so its unit place is 1, but the answer having 19, n number is 9. So square root of any perfect number unit place is 1 means answer is either 1 or 9 is the answer in unit place. Second one, if the unit digits of a perfect square is 4, the unit digit of its square root is either 2 or 8. So square root of 144, unit place having 4 means suppose the answer is 2. 64, the n number is 4, but the answer is 8. So if the unit place of a perfect square is 9, the unit digit of the square root of the number is either 3 or 7. Suppose if the unit of a perfect square is 9, the unit digit of the square root of the number is either 3 or 7. For example, 169, the unit place having 9, but the answer having n place is 3. So 13 is the square root of 169. 289, the unit place having 9, so the answer having in 7. So 17 is the answer. The unit place of a perfect square is 6. The unit digit of its square root is either 4 or 6. So this is the example you see. So the next one, if the unit digit of a perfect square is 5 or 0, the unit digit of its square root is 5 or 0 respectively. So these are some properties of the square root. You read the properties because it's useful for that. The next one, to find the square root of a number means you have two main methods. One is prime factorization method and another one is division method. In this following exercise, you will see these two methods only. So prime factorization method is very important, and division method, both having the same answer only, but the method is different. The next one is square. Square of a natural number. Some natural number having the square will be given. This is very important. So 1 to 20 square number you will memorize in your mind because it's very important. So number 1 square is 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25, 6 square 36, 7 square 49, 8 square 64, 9 square 81, 10 square 100, 11 square 121, 12 square 144, 13 square 169, 14 square 196, 15 square 225, 16 square 256, 17 square 289, 18 square 324, 19 square 361, 20 square 400. So these are the very important square numbers. So everyone memorize 1 to 20 square number. The next one, some algebraic formula used to find square root. Some formulas also is there for finding the square roots. A very important formula in algebraic. A plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A minus b the whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. A minus b the whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. The next one, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. These three formula you write down in the class work note, and squaring of the natural number also you copy down in your class work note, and two method name, prime factorization and division method, those also you write in the class work note. So what are the things you write in the class work note? I marked and I sent the photo. The next one is Pythagorean triplets. Pythagorean triples is, first the familiar thing is Pythagoras theorem. Everyone know the Pythagoras theorem, which states in right angle triangle. One right angle triangle is there means the two side of the triangle having one side is the biggest part. The biggest part square is equal to the next two side square addition is the answer. So p square plus b square is equal to h square. Like this one is your right hand triangle. This longest path is h, the one path is p, one path is b. So h square is equal to p square plus b square. This is the Pythagoras theorem. So three natural number you take a, b, c are said to be Pythagorean triples. Suppose the three numbers are said to be Pythagorean triplet means the condition is a square plus b square is equal to c square. So two number will be square and add, you get the answer is equal to the third number square. So this is satisfied means this is called, the three number is called Pythagorean triples. So this one also you copy down in your class work. This is today class children, everyone copy down this and revise this. You learn this definitions and formulas and properties. Next you go for the exercise in next class. Thank you children to watching the video.